Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.